Presenting the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.